How to fix Instagram messages primary and general option not showing. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Insta's message primary and general option not showing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your Insta. On Insta, if you swipe left, you'll find that there is no primary or general settings. So in that case, what you will need to do is you'll need to change your account type. So if your account is a personal account, you will not be getting such features such as primary and general option. What you will need to do is tap on the three lines on the top right corner. Then after you're there, you can scroll down. And after you scroll down for a bit, sometimes there is an option called your account types and stuff. But if you don't find that, it's completely alright. So here you'll find the professional section. You'll find account types and tools. Tap on it, and now you'll need to switch your account to professional. So tap on switch to professional and then tap on next. Now you can choose any of these here. Then tap on next and keep on doing so, and keep on answering the question, and keep on creating a professional account. So I'll just tap on creator, then tap on next, and then tap on OK again. And yeah, you can tap on next. Then you can complete your profile by going through the seven steps. So I'll be skipping that for now. And after I've changed my account to a professional account, there you can see now I have primary and general messages. And that's how you fix your issue, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.